Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you here's how to navigate Safari in iOS 15. When you open Safari, the tab bar is at the bottom of your screen. It contains your address bar and other tools. You'll notice that the tab bar moves out of the way as you scroll through a website. To bring it back, just tap the bottom of your screen. To access other open tabs, you can swipe left or right on the tab bar. To change the location of the address bar from the bottom of your screen to the top, tap the Reader button and tap Show Top Address Bar. To change it back, tap the Reader button and tap Show Bottom Tab Bar. If you need to refresh a page, pull down from the top of the page or tap the Refresh button. To view all of your open tabs, just tap the Tabs button in the bottom right corner of the screen. To close a tab, tap the X in the top right corner of the tab, or swipe it to the left. You can jump to an open tab by tapping it. If you touch and hold the Bookmarks button in the toolbar, you'll see options to add a bookmark for all open tabs, or just your current tab, or to add the page to your reading list. When you touch and hold the Tabs button, you'll have several options to manage your tabs, from creating new ones to closing them and more. Tap New Private Tab to open one. When using private browsing, tap the Tabs button to see your open private browsing tabs. To turn off private browsing, tap the Private button, then tap Tabs, and you'll switch to your non-private tabs. Now let's take a look at how to share. Just open a website, then in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen, tap the Share button and choose an option. And that's the basics of navigating Safari and iOS 15. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.